the subject name quantum mechanics is known to you. Again, the subject name quantum physics, that is also known to you. And very often, both the terms are used interchangeably, though there is a difference. Yes, difference is small, but there is a difference. But in most of the cases, both the terms are used frequently, interchangeably. The terms are quantum mechanics and quantum physics. So, from the time of Max Planck, quantum mechanics began, you know. So, the for the first few years, whatever was developed in this subject, the name was given quantum mechanics, and later many more things were discovered and included in the same subject, and the name quantum physics was given. Okay. In quantum mechanics, in the framework of quantum mechanics, normally mathematical approaches are there. Mathematical approaches were started, such as Schrödinger Equation, means wave functions are there. So many wave functions are there, you know. So the fundamental principles of the particles and the mathematical framework, those things come under the category of quantum mechanics, and the other things like quantum field theory, then quantum information theory, etc. Okay, I have noted down all the points. Some points means some topics, points means here topics, some topics are under only quantum mechanics, and the total topics which are discussed under this subject fall under the category of quantum physics. So I am just reading out the points. You can see everything on the screen. Okay. Here what I have written, only the topics, main topics which are discussed under quantum mechanics and quantum physics. So my aim of making this video is to discuss the difference between quantum mechanics and quantum physics. Okay. So here in this video, no theory of quantum mechanics or quantum physics will be discussed. Okay. Only the difference. So the points are, first I am telling you the points which comes, or the topics which comes under quantum mechanics. Okay. The topics are wave-particle duality. That is the first topic, wave-particle duality. You know that thing. Then comes probability, amplitude and wave functions. Probability, amplitude and wave functions. Next comes Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. That is also known to you. Next, fourth point is Schrödinger Equation. Schrödinger Equation. Point number 5 is quantum states and observables. Quantum states and observables. Okay. That is point number 5, and point number 6 is quantum superposition. Quantum superposition, and point number 7 is quantum entanglement. So these 7 points, these are the main topics which fall under quantum mechanics. Okay, not quantum physics, only quantum mechanics. And then I have noted down here 6 topics. Okay, so these 6 topics plus these previous 7 topics, if you combine all these 7 plus 6, that is 13 topics, then these come under the subject heading of quantum physics. Okay, so I am just now reading out the other 6 points. First is quantum field theory. Quantum field theory, okay. Then comes quantum information theory. And point number 3 here is quantum computing. Okay, quantum computing. Then point number 4 is quantum optics. And point number 5 is quantum thermodynamics. Okay, and point number 6 is quantum statistical mechanics. Just by having a look onto these topics, you can easily understand what are the things which are discussed under the heading, under such topics, or under the heading of quantum physics and quantum mechanics. Okay. So nothing new I am discussing over here in this video. Only the topics which are solely belong to quantum mechanics and the topics which belong to quantum physics. So if you want to use mathematical language, then you can say that if quantum physics is considered to be the universal set, okay, quantum physics as a universal set, then you should consider quantum mechanics as the subset of that universal set. Quantum mechanics is the subset. Okay. So this was all about the differences between the two terms, quantum mechanics and quantum physics. Later I'll make one video just to tell you the history of quantum physics. Okay, in my next video that will that thing you can see. Okay, history of quantum physics. Starting point is Planck's discovery. Okay, starting point was that in 1900, Planck's discovery, then Einstein's photoelectric effect. Okay, so year wise, I'll try to make that video. Okay, for myself, these are very interesting. That's why I am making such videos. I don't know whether these are interesting for you or not. Okay. Anyway, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.